Hey everyone, this is Vic. Welcome back to the channel. This is a quick unboxing of the Amazon Echo Show 8. I'll put a link in the description below of the newest model available and the best prices that I found to be on Amazon, and obviously from Amazon. And this really does have some of the best sounding speakers on the device this size that I found. I found it great for playing music and all of my verbal commands, including controlling a lot of my lights. I also have wireless Bluetooth speakers in my ceiling that I could just tell it to go ahead and connect to, and it does connect or disconnect from. So it's pretty cool that way there. So with that, I'll create a separate video on how to use it and connect them to the Bluetooth. So please like and subscribe, and feel free to put anything in the comments below of how you found it to be useful. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.